हेलो वेलकम यू ऑल टू अनदर वीडियो। और आज हम समझेंगे अबाउट ब्रांडिंग ऑफ योर बिजनेस। बहुत टेक्निकल टर्म है, राइट? पीपल से ब्रांडिंग इज वेरी एक्सपेंसिव। Brands take money to be created, it takes time, and you have to spend a lot. What else, right? uh, Brand is something high profile thing. It's not for me. All these are myths. Branding is very easy, very simple if you do it in right way. I'll tell you there are only two parts of it which you have to take care when it comes to branding. Okay, think about this. I'm there in front of you. Hmm? Now I want you to contact me. Why will you do that? How will you judge that I am a good coach for you? Maybe by my looks or by my words, right? These are the two things which you are listening to, right? Apart from that, you cannot read my mind, you cannot guess. Or if you are assuming, let me tell you, just on a joke part, assume is making ass of you and me. That's what I heard, the definition of assume. So if you want to judge me as a coach, you will either go by my words or go by my how I present myself, right? So same goes with your brand. How your brand looks, how your brand speaks, that defines your branding. Okay, let us take these two one by one. How your brand looks means the visual reflection of your brand. What all our eyes see. Okay, if I look at my table would have certain color, right? My table would have certain shape, right? Same way, if I look at your brand must be having certain colors. Maybe your logo will define color, or the flyers you are putting across on social media will have some colors. They would have some kind of look, some kind of style. Maybe my style is that I wear mufflers. Maybe my style is that I wear coats. Maybe my style is I wear saris. Okay, so that's my style. So every brand also has a style. Okay, every flyer, every post you create, you go back and look at your posts. Each post will have certain style which you like. Okay, that's your branding. Now, the problem happens when there is no uniformity in your branding. Each post is different, each flyer is different. So customers are actually confused which flyer is yours. Nowadays, when we go to social media, our attention span is very less. Maybe 2 second or 3 second, we scroll reels like this. है ना? So what happens when you look at certain post, or somebody else is looking at your post, they will not spend time on that. In just 2 seconds, they should grab that, okay, this post is belonging to this person, right? If it is not happening, your brand is getting lost in the way. Now what you have to do is to define certain style, certain colors to your brand. So that's called a visual branding, visual look. How your brand looks, how I see it, right? Second part, how what I listen. Okay, that's how I will judge. Now what I listen, your brand cannot speak. No, your brand can speak. How? You have certain text in your social media flyers, right? You have certain text on your website, on your Facebook page, LinkedIn profile, Insta bio, right? What words are you using? Are these words relevant to your business or not? Think about that one place on Instagram I have written, I am a business coach teaching marketing technology to my students. On LinkedIn profile, I'm writing, I'm a web designing coach. Now there is a gap. Okay. So one place if someone goes, that person will read me as business coach. Another place, if LinkedIn, somebody is visiting my LinkedIn profile, that person is reading web designing coach. Now there is a gap. What exactly am I teaching? So there has to be uniformity. Same thing everywhere will not confuse your client and you'll get leads. So there are two parts of branding: visual branding, textual branding. What you say, what you show. Okay, so both things when you combine, make it uniform, you get a brand. As simple as that. If, for example, okay, I'll be more specific. For example, okay, let me show you this. My friend gifted me this piece of lipan art, okay, with my name. Now, if you look at it, it has particular style, right? It has certain colors. It has got mirrors. That's a style, okay. No, anybody can look at it and tell which brand it is. That's her style. Lipan art can be done in different ways, right? But that's her style. Now, if I go ahead and start doing lipan art, I may not create this piece exactly in the similar way. So my style will be different. That's called branding. Okay, let me give another example. You seen the logo of McDonald's? Everybody remembers that because that's uniform across. Now if you go to their Instagram profile or their any other profile, you will find a similar kind of posts there, similar kind of keywords mentioned there, right? So that's how you do branding. There's nothing else. I hope you have got an idea about basic branding today. And now your task is to go ahead, look at your profiles, what all you have mentioned there, make it uniform. At least today, you will have a professional look of your business. Thank you.